Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and to my old subscribers, thank you for the much love. In today's video, we'll be going all the way to Africa to make an African dish called okra ogbono soup. So if you want to know how to make this African dish, sit tight, relax and keep watching. To begin, I have my pot. I'm going to add some protein of choice. I'm using goat meat and chicken into the pot. Next, I'll add my pepper mix. Also add stockfish, some cow skin, diced onion. Also be using some seasoning cube. I'm using North seasoning cube. Also some salt for taste. So I'll mix this up. So I'll be adding in some water I need for the cooking. I think this is enough for it. So I'll be cooking this for about 30 to 35 minutes until the meats are tender or soften. While our meat is cooking, I'll go ahead to wash the okra we'll be using for the soup. I'm adding some white vinegar, washing the okra. I'll be sharing it into two halves, dice some and also grate some. I'll start with dicing some of the okra. I don't like my okra too big when dicing them, so you can cut yours the way you want. So after grating, this is what I have. I added the grated ones and the chopped ones together. So this is all the okra I have grated and also chopped. So I did transfer the ogbono, the dissolved ogbono, into the meat we just cooked. So I allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So right now the ogbono soup is cooked. Please, if you are still watching till this point, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. You can also test at this point to see if you need to adjust your seasoning. Mine is perfectly okay. I don't need to adjust. I'll just go ahead to add in crayfish. I'll also be adding in the grated and chopped okra. you see that your soup is too thick, you can add some more water. So I'll be adding a little bit of water into this soup to loosen it a bit. Allow this to cook for a few minutes before adding my vegetable. Because I don't want my okra to be too soft, I'll add my vegetable. I'm using spinach. So mix. You can allow it to just cook for a minute or just take it off the stove, or the steam will cook the vegetable. So we've come to the end of the video. As you can see, this okra ogbono soup is looking I don't know, mouth-watering, tantalizing. You can serve it with any swallow of your choice. And also, I'll be leaving everything I use for this soup in the description box. Please make sure you always go there to check them out. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.